Hello students, now we will start chapter number 10 practical geometry. So today we will start introduction of the chapter. So here in this chapter in the practical geometry, as we discussed in our previous standard 2, now here we have to take one step forward. So here in this chapter we have to discuss how to draw parallel lines when taking point outside the line and how to draw triangles using ruler and compass. So in that, the first topic is that construction of a line parallel to given line through a point not on the line. So that this means to say that we have to draw a line. For example, this line is there, which is AB. Now we have to draw a parallel line to this line taking points outside of this line. So for here, if I am taking randomly any point C, so here I have to draw a parallel line to this line. So how to draw? For that, here you can see that the first thing, so for that what we will do, first we will draw the line. For example, here I am drawing this line and I will give this line name as A and B. इस लाइन को मैं नाम दे दूंगा लाइन ए बी. नाउ व्हाट इज अवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? इस लाइन के आउटसाइड वी हैव टू टेक वन पॉइंट. कि लाइन के आउटसाइड पे कोई एक पॉइंट लेना है. तो फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे मैंने एक पॉइंट ले लिया जिसको मैंने नाम दिया सी. सो व्हाट आई विल डू हियर, ये जो पॉइंट है इसको मैं इस लाइन पे ज्वाइन कर दूंगा एंड हियर आई कैन गिव दिस पॉइंट नेम एज अ ओ. नाउ our next step will be what? Before that, if you remember that कि जैसे हमने हमारे प्रीवियस सेशन में पढ़ा था and also during chapter number 5 that when transversal cut to parallel line, so in that the angles, alternative interior angles and this corresponding angles are equal. जब भी दो पैरेलल लाइंस को ट्रांसवर्सल कट करता है तो ये जो अल्टरनेटिव इंटीरियर एंगल और करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स बनते हैं दैट आर इक्वल. तो सेम यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो, अगर ये दोनों लाइंस पैरेलल लाइंस है तो ये जो दोनों एंगल्स होंगे, ये दोनों एंगल्स कैसे होंगे? इक्वल. तो सेम मेथड वी हैव टू यूज हियर. दैट हियर नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी व्हाट? यूजिंग दिस कंपास वी विल टेक वन कन्वीनियंट रेडियस. कोई भी छोटी सी रेडियस लेके आप एक आर्क ड्रॉ करोगे और वो जो आर्क आप ड्रॉ करोगे वो आर्क ये लाइन सेगमेंट ओ सी एंड लाइन ए बी को किसी एक पॉइंट पे कट करेगा. तो जिस भी पॉइंट पे कट करता है उसको हम नाम दे देंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल दिस वन इज एम एंड दिस वन इज एम. नाउ रेडियस विल बी सेम. नाउ टेक सी एज अ सेंटर. वी विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क अगेन. सो ये जो मैंने आर्क ड्रॉ करूँगा, आई विल ड्रॉ दिस आर्क. नाउ हियर इन आर्क को भी मैं नाम दे सकता हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल पी क्यू एंड आर. नाउ व्हाट इज अवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? दैट एज आई टोल्ड यू जस्ट नाउ कि ये जो एंगल्स फॉर्म होते हैं दैट एंगल्स आर इक्वल. सो व्हाट आई विल डू हियर, ये जो एम एंड एन, ये जो मेरा पॉइंट एम टू एन एंगल का जो मेजरमेंट है उसको मैं अपने कंपास में मेजर करूँगा. ओके, इन एंड पॉइंट को मेजर नहीं करूंगा. आई विल मेजर दिस एम एंड एन. नाउ क्यू को सेंटर रखूंगा एंड आई विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क जो इस आर्क को किसी एक पॉइंट पे कट करेगा. नाउ ये जिस भी पॉइंट पे कट करेगा फ्रॉम देयर, यहाँ पे आप देखो वो एग्जैक्टली इस आर्क को सी में कट करेगा. तो मैं क्या करूँगा, यहाँ से एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दूंगा. तो ये जो मैंने लाइन ड्रॉ की ये लाइन हो गई पैरेलल टू दिस ए बी. सो इसको मैंने फॉर एग्जांपल नाम दे दिया एम एंड एन. तो दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस ए बी. लाइन ए बी इज पैरेलल टू एम एन. सो हियर यू कैन सी दैट हाउ टू ड्रॉ द पैरेलल लाइन्स. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द स्टेप दैट फर्स्ट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ अ लाइन. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, फर्स्ट वी हैव ड्रॉन द लाइन ए बी एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर क्वेश्चन दैट हमने लाइन के बाहर कोई पॉइंट ले लिया जिसको हमने नाम दे दिया सी. उस पॉइंट को हमने ज्वाइन कर दिया हमारी लाइन ए बी को एंड हमने उसको नाम दे दिया ओ. इसको आप वन टाइप ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल ही समझ सकते हो. देन हमने कंपास में कन्वीनियंट रेडियस लेके ओ को सेंटर लेके एक आर्क ड्रॉ किया जिस आर्क ने एम जो पॉइंट एम एन ए बी को और ओ सी को एक पॉइंट पे कट किया. देन विद द सेम रेडियस सी को सेंटर बना के वी हैव ड्रॉन वन आर्क अगेन. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी हैव डन दैट टेकिंग अ कन्वीनियंट एम एंड एन का मेजरमेंट लेके हमने क्या किया, क्यू को सेंटर बना के एक आर्क ड्रॉ किया जो आर्क पी को किसी पॉइंट पे कट करेगा. एंड जैसे हमने उसको ज्वाइन किया तो ये जो लाइन फॉर्म हुई दैट इज पैरेलल लाइन टू दिस लाइन ए बी. सो दिस इज हाउ वी हैव टू ड्रॉ पैरेलल line, or we have to construct a line parallel to given line through a point not on the line. तो हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि ये जो दो लाइन्स है दैट आर पैरेलल लाइन्स. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू अगर ये ट्रांसवर्सल बन गया तो ये जो हमने एम एन का मेजरमेंट था एग्जैक्ट हमने यही एंगल यहीं पे फॉर्म किया. तो हमको पता है कि जब दो पैरेलल लाइन को कोई ट्रांसवर्सल कट करता है जो दो एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट होता है दैट इज इक्वल. और अगर आप एक्यूरेट स्केल देके उसको ड्रॉ करोगे तो हियर यू कैन सी दैट ये जो आपका मेजरमेंट होगा बिटवीन टू लाइन दैट विल बी इक्वल. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ ट्राइंगल्स. सो नाउ वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट ट्राइंगल्स. सो टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्राइंगल देयर आर नंबर ऑफ टाइप्स आर देयर. दैट समटाइम्स क्या होगा कि आपको 3 साइड्स का मेजरमेंट दिया होगा और समटाइम किसी एक साइड और 2 एंगल का मेजरमेंट दिया होगा, समटाइम 2 एंगल और एक साइड का मेजर दिया होगा, और समटाइम वी हैव टू ड्रॉ right angle triangle. So for that what we can do here, the first thing is that construction of a triangle when the length of its 3 sides are known. That means you, for example, length of 3 sides are given to you and you have to construct a triangle. So for example, as I can tell you that in a triangle PQR, I can say in the triangle PQR the measurement of PQ is 6 centimeter, QR is 7 centimeter and PR is 8 centimeter. So here it is given to you that the measure of triangle is given to you that PR is 8, QR is 7 and PQ is 6. Now you have to construct a triangle. Now what we can do here, first of all, here for your understanding what we can do, first here we can draw a rough sketch that, for example, here I have drawn one triangle. चलो इसको मैं नाम दे दूँ that PQR. So now for our understanding, if I can see this triangle that PQ, so this PQ is 6 centimeter, this QR is 7 centimeter and this side is 8 centimeter. So here it is not given that हमको कौन से साइड को बेस में लेना है. ओके, सो हियर for example here I have drawn this rough diagram. Now I have to represent this diagram on geometry, using geometry. So what I will do here, first of all, here I will draw line of 6 centimeter. So here I have drawn this line segment which is 6 centimeter and this is our PQ because it is given that PQ is 6 centimeter. Now the next thing is there which is QR is 7 centimeter and PR is 8 centimeter. So for that what I will do here, using our compass, if I were to draw QR, so I will measure the 7 centimeter in this compass and we have to draw QR. So I will take this Q as a center and I will draw one arc, and now here it is given that PR is equal to 8 centimeter. So again using compass I will take measurement of 8 centimeter and now we have to draw PR. So the point will be P. So from P here again I will draw one arc. So I will extend this arc. So when you will draw both this arc, so at a particular point this triangles, this 2 points will intersect each other. So what we have to do this, that we have to join both this point. So for example here I will join this one and from here I will join this thing. So this is how we have to construct and this point will be our R. So this is how we have to construct triangle when measure of 3 sides are given, and here we can write that this PQ is equal to 6 centimeter, this QR is equal to 7 centimeter and this PR is equal to 8 centimeter. सो कभी भी अगर आपको 3 साइड्स का मेजरमेंट दिया हो तो कोई एक बेस ड्रॉ करके कंपास में आप मेजरमेंट लेके पॉइंट को सेंटर बना के आप दिस इज हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल यूजिंग, और इसको हम बोलते हैं साइड 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 क्राइटेरिया. सिमिलरली the next topic is construction of a triangle when the lengths of angle between them are known. So here we have to use side angle side criteria. So in this the measurement of two sides will be given and the measure of angle one of the angle will be given. यानी कि दो sides और एक angle का measurement हमको दिया होगा. So for example this type of question can be there that in triangle PQR measurement of PQ is given which is 5 centimeter, measurement of QR is given which is 6.5 centimeter, and one of the measurement of angle is given that angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. So for that what you will do, how you will draw this diagram using compass and ruler. So first, as earlier I told you that first you can draw a rough sketch of that. So for example this triangle is there which is PQR. So in that the measurement of PQ is given which is 5 centimeter, QR is given which is 6.5 centimeter, and the measurement of angle is given which is 60 degree. So as a rough sketch अगर हम उसको इमेजिनेशन कर लेंगे या फिर उसको अगर हम रफली फर्स्ट ट्राई कर लेंगे तो इट विल easy for us to determine the procedure in construction. So for that what we will do here, first of all here I will draw the line QR which is 6.5 centimeter. So using scale I will draw a line QR, line segment QR which is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now here it is given to us that angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. That means here measure of angle Q is given. That how to whenever this type of things are given, how to understand this, we already discussed this in our 5th and 6th chapter. So here it is given that measure of angle Q is given which is 60 degree. So what we will do here, using protractor here Q as a center, we will draw the angle of 60 degree. So here what we will do here I will extend, I will join this. So here this angle is formed which is equal to 60 degree. Now what is the next step? As also we have drawn the roughly in our diagram that measurement of PQ is given which is 5 centimeter. So what we will do, Q is here. So what we can do here, first of all using scale we will measure this 5 centimeter in our, using compass we will measure 5 centimeter, and this Q as the center we will draw one arc which will intersect this at a particular point. So this point is our P because this particular measurement of PQ is given which is 5 centimeter. So the length of this one will be 5 centimeter, and now we will join both these points. So here our triangle is ready. So this is how we have to draw a triangle when the measurement of two sides and angle is given to us. Similarly, many students were asking regarding the steps or how to write steps. So the things which we have followed, we have to do, write down the same things. That first we have drawn the base QR. So here we can write that draw line segment QR which is 6.5 centimeter, then Q as a center, draw a angle of 60 degree, or you can say that make the angle of 60 degree. Now using divider or compass, measure of 5 centimeter, Q as a center, you can draw one arc which will cut this line angle, and you can name this point P, and you can join PR. So that are our steps. So when we will do the exercise, we will follow all the steps, but just now in the introduction we will understood that how to draw this particular constructions. Similarly, the next one is there that constructing a triangle when the measure of two of its sides, when the measure of two of its angle and the length of the side included between them is given. So this is ASA criteria. And what is ASA criteria? That already we have studied in our 7th chapter. So here in this, two angles will be given to you and one measurement of one of side which fall between these two angles. So for that, for example, in triangle PQR, measure of angle RPQ is 30 degree. Similarly, measure of angle PQR is 100 degree, and we have to construct a triangle, and one of the measure of one of the side is given, which is PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. This is one of the NCERT example. So for that, what we will do here you can see that here the measure of two angle is given. So for that, what we can do here, so as earlier I told you, first for your better understanding you can roughly sketch a particular triangle. So for example, this triangle is there. So in that, this angle will be 30 degree, this one will be 400 degree, and here we can give the name to this point, which is PQ and R. So we have to draw this type of triangle, and the measure of this PQ is 6 centimeters. So as you can see here that the measure of one side is there, so and this side is included between these two angles. So for that, what we can do here to construct this, first of all, here we will draw one line which will be equal to 6 centimeter. So here I will draw this line which is equal to 6 centimeter. So here I have drawn this line PQ which is 6 centimeter. Now it is given to us that one of the angle which is measure of angle RPQ, यानी कि ये जो P point पे जो angle बन रहा है उसका measurement दिया हुआ है, that is 30 degree. So what we will do here, we will this P as a center, here we will mark this 30 degree and we will join this one. Similarly, here at point Q, measure of angle PQR is given. That means the angle formed at point Q is 100 degree. So how we will draw 100 degree? So here 100 degree will be somewhere here. Okay, because here it is obtuse angle. So for that, what we will do here, we will join this one too. Okay, so now as you can see here that this triangle is being formed, and just be point पे ये intersect कर रहा है, that is our point R, and the measurement of this angle will be 30 and measurement of this angle Q will be 100 degree. तो कभी भी अगर आपको दो एंगल्स दिए हो and measure of one of side is given, so what you have to do, first you have to do draw a particular base, then using the protractor you have to measure two angles, and at a particular, जब आप इन दोनों लाइन को extend करोगे at a particular point both will intersect, so this particular closed segment will be formed. Now moving to the next one, constructing a right angle triangle when the length of one leg and its hypotenuse are given. So here we have to construct a right angle triangle using RHS criteria, that means right angle hypotenuse criteria. So for that, what we will do here, first of all, in this type of triangle, measure of one of the leg will be given to you and one of the hypotenuse, and that we know that in right angle triangle, measure of one of the angle will be, this angle will be 90 degree, and we can also call this one as a perpendicular. So for example, how to form this type of triangle using compass and ruler only. So for that, for example, this type of question can be there that in triangle PQR, it is given to you that it is right angled at P, then measure of one of the side is given, which is PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and QR is equal to 7 centimeter. So to draw this type of triangle, what we will do here, first of all, using scale, here the measure of PQ is given, so it is already mentioned that it is right angle at P. So first of all, I will draw the line segment which is equal to 5 centimeter. So using scale, I will draw 5 centimeter line segment. I will give this name as a PQ. Now as it is mentioned in the question, it is right angle at P. So at a point P, it makes 90-degree angle, or we can also say it is perpendicular to PQ. So how to draw perpendicular, sorry for the inconvenience, how to draw perpendicular or how to draw 90-degree angle? For that, what we have to do, now in the previous case we have used protractor to draw the angle, but here we will not follow that one. So what we have to do, here it is given that it is right angle at P. So here using compass, in compass we will take a convenient radius, and जो भी अगर आप radius ले रहे हो, that throughout the construction that should not be changed. We will draw one of the half circle. P को center बना के we will draw one half circle. Now ये दोनों जिस भी पॉइंट जो हमको एंड पॉइंट मिले, रेडियस हमारी सेम रहेगी. फ्रॉम दैट इस एंड को जिस भी पॉइंट पे इसने इंटरसेक्ट किया, फ्रॉम देयर हियर आई विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क यूजिंग सेम रेडियस, एंड सिमिलरली फ्रॉम हियर आई विल ड्रॉ वन आर्क. नाउ अगेन ये दोनों जो आर्क है, ये जो हाफ सर्कल को जिस भी पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, फ्रॉम देयर विद द सेम रेडियस, here this one as a center, and from here this point as a center, we will draw one arc, and both this arc will intersect each other. तो ये जिस भी पॉइंट पे इंटरसेक्ट होते हैं उसको हम ज्वाइन कर लेंगे. सो जैसे ही आप इसको ज्वाइन करोगे तो यू विल गेट एक्यूरेट 90-degree एंगल. सो ये जो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है दैट इज 90-degree एंगल. ओके, सो ये जो एंगल बन गया दैट इज 90-degree एंगल. एंड फॉर टू ड्रॉ द परपेंडिकुलर ऑल्सो विल फॉलो द सेम स्टेप्स. और ये हमने पी क्यू को एक परपेंडिकुलर भी ड्रॉ कर दिया. वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट. नाउ हियर इट इज गिवन दैट द मेजर ऑफ QR is 7 centimeter. So what we will do here, from our scale, using scale, we will measure the 7 centimeter. Then here it is the measure of QR. So for that what we will do here, this Q as a center, and we will draw one arc. And ये जो आप arc draw करोगे that will intersect this perpendicular at a particular point. So what you have to do, you have to join this point to Q. तो जैसे ही आप इसको ज्वाइन करोगे ये जो पॉइंट मिलेगा दैट इज अवर R. तो ये हमारा बन गया राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल PQR. तो इस एंगल का जो मेजरमेंट होगा दैट इज 90-degree. मेजरमेंट ऑफ PQ इज 5 centimeter, एंड ये जो QR का मेजरमेंट होगा दैट इज 7 centimeter. सो दिस इज हाउ वी हैव टू कंस्ट्रक्ट a right angle triangle when the measurement of one of the leg and hypotenuse is given. So as I earlier also told you that the steps, when we will solve the sum we will also write the steps, but this is our introduction video. So in that we will learn that how to construct this type of geometries. So you can practice all these geometries and you can again practice this one, and if you are finding any query in that you can also ask me in comment section. So thank you.